Hey Travis, Food Force Abundance, Minnesota here. And just to show you how to put the base posts in for a Deerbusters deer fence. And I'll turn you around here and show you what it's all about. Anyway, you get this little sledgehammer tool here. See, it's kind of mushroomed after 20 posts, but you put it in top here and pound it in. How many swings do you think?
12.
12 swings, you think, huh? All right.
15.
And then you take that out.
400.
Then you put a slide post in. And once we tighten this all up, it will all straighten out, but that's all you do. Got all of them up. And that's going to do it for us today. A lot accomplished today. Shit takes a lot out of you. We had a late start this morning. Had about 4 hours of moving stuff a quarter mile to where we're working now. But once we got all moved, we were able to move fast. But back tomorrow. Grow food and outlaws.